Hello, I'm Brett Knowles from PM Squared Consulting. This quick video is a walkthrough of our award-winning 5-day real-time strategy dashboard. This is an overview of how you can develop and deliver an RTS dashboard through a simple 5-day workshop. Step 1 is we need to capture your existing strategic priorities, and we'll do that through a strategy map. We capture the strategic objectives, their cause and effect relationship, and their priority as seen over, say, the next 12 months. Step 2 is we need to link that strategy, think of it down the left side of a spreadsheet, with those real-time strategic performance categories. And those are things like measuring your organization's agility, the employee experience, which is, culture and so forth, the resilience of the organization, the risk index, the traction, velocity, viability, and vitality. In addition, there's some traditional performance measures that we found you can't do without, things like cost, revenue, skills, voice of customer. And we identify where are the critical performance nodes, where is agility going to help us execute on that strategy. And from there, we can identify in the next phase the key performance indicators based on our proprietary list of existing and new age KPIs. So for something like viability, you might be looking at things like the average cost per lead, net revenue retention, the average customer acquisition cost, repeat customer index. In a case like this, it might be customer conversions from competitors and so forth. From there, the next phase is straightforward. We just need to build the RTS dashboard. Now, the RTS dashboard, like the dashboard of your car, it's always got a speedometer, tachometer, gas gauge. It has the same common elements and the same common look and feel, but it's going to be different based on the function, the brand, the viability of the business, the maturity of the business, the industry, and so forth, in terms of the specific KPIs. But this becomes a universal dashboard. And then finally, we have to help you use that to manage the business better. What are the daily, weekly, monthly management and governance techniques that help you become effective? So that's a 5-day workshop. What are the next steps? Well, give us a call. We'd be happy to tell you more about how the RTS dashboard works. We can give you a simple diagnostic to determine what RTS dashboard framework is most appropriate for your starting point. And of course, we'd be happy to chat with you about any of your dashboard needs when you're interested.